That'll Do Pug is the name of the beer. It is a 6-grain table beer, and this is from Casita Brewing, which is located in Wilson, North Carolina, right next to the famous Whirligig Park. This is a beer brewed with flaked rice, raw wheat, golden naked oats, malted spalt, and 6-row barley. It's additified, it says additified on the can, additified using lemon juice, lightly spiced with coriander and a touch of New Zealand hops. And it's a collaboration with their buddies at the Beer Study.
just finished our ramen. We got some spice, some heat, the chili oil, and the Fresno chilies gave us some heat, a little bit of heat.
So I had a sip of my beer before I started eating because I was thirsty. And then I started eating the ramen and I had a sip of my beer. So this is exactly what we thought it was going to be. It's really clean, it's crisp, it's a bit hazy, which is perfectly fine by me. And I guess you'd expect the hazy with the ingredients.
I agree.
But the thing that popped after I got some of the hot oil and the savory of the ramen is out of the beer for me is the hops started to pop more.
Yeah, I tasted some citrusy notes.
It's a really nice beer with this. So if you're just sitting drinking, I think this beer would be an awesome summertime beer.
I thought I tasted, after tasting the ramen and then going there, I couldn't taste the coriander much before, but after the ramen, I could taste the coriander as well.
Right. This one, the pairing really did wake up the beer a little bit.
I don't think you could beat this for a pairing.
No, this was phenomenal.
Thank you, Casita. This is great.